Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys, and on today's episode I'm going to be teaching how to get your tax identification number by yourself. You heard me right. How to get your tax identification number by yourself. Now, guys, let me tell you a brief story behind this. Last 3 days, I had Facebook sent me a notification to update my tax identification number. Okay, that is to update my payout. I needed it, so I went to a cyber cafe. They told me 6,000. They told me 6,000. Now one spirit said, oh, maybe I go through TikTok, go through Facebook, go through YouTube to check if you can actually see how to get this thing by yourself, because honestly speaking, I was not with money that day. I thought it was something like 4k, 2k. Do you get So I went through Facebook, I went through TikTok, I did my research, and I saw how to do these things. Okay, I did it and I got a number. Now I was not certain. Okay, I was not certain, so I went back to that cyber cafe where I actually went the first place, and I told the woman, ma, please, can you show me example of the tax identification number, because she said that she's going to print it out for me. Do you get? I said, okay, ma, please show me a sample. She showed me a sample, and it was exactly what I got for myself. Do you get? Exactly the same thing, just that the difference is that she, on the other hand, printed her own. Do you get? She printed it, but my own, I didn't print it. I just needed the number to update. Okay, and what did I use for my own? I used just my NIN, and she too, she requested just my NIN. So why wasting money on paying another person when I can actually do it myself? Okay, guys, that is what happened. That is how I got how to do this tax identification number stuff by yourself. Now, many of us might not know what tax identification number is. What is tax identification number? Tax identification number is an identification number that is given to each individual who is into either business, as personal stuff. You just need tax identification number to pay your tax. Okay, and you need it for your business, for your Facebook, for personal use and other things. Now, without much ado, my name is Vivian AZK. On this channel, you can call me the 11th hour girl. Of course, your girl. If you're meeting my channel for the first time, please do hit the subscription button, and if you're coming back as my regular subscriber, thank you, and leave a comment, and also share this video to your friends. Now let's get to it, guys. So the first thing you will have to do is to open your Chrome. All of us have a Chrome browser. Okay, open your Chrome. Now type on your Chrome, type in capital letter JTB, give space, write individual, JTB individual tin registration. Okay, JTB individual tin registration. Now if you want, they have two type of tin. We have for business and we have for individual. So if you want to do business own, is different, but this one is for individual. Okay, if you want to do business, you click on business. If you want to do for what is it called, for individual, you do for individual. Now for Facebook and for YouTube monetization, you need individual tin. What did I say? Individual tin. Now I'm displaying it on my screen and I hope you can see it, guys. What you will click is this first one. Click on this first one, this JTB, then it will redirect you. Okay, you wait for a bit, it will redirect you. Just little time, guys. Is redirecting already, you see. So now we have individual. As you see, we have individual, we have corporate, that is business, and we have others. Okay, so the one that you will click is individual. Please click individual. Now you put, they say tax identification retrieval method. Okay, this is just like a reverse way of getting your tin. Now click on it, just leave it at that national identification number. Okay, NIN, that is his NIN that you want to use to get it. That is what it means. Now enter your NIN. Okay, let me get my NIN and enter it so that you understand what I'm saying. Hold on guys, I'm coming. Now enter your NIN. Okay, enter your NIN. It's very simple. Let me enter my NIN. Okay, enter your NIN, then you click on retrieve tax ID. Okay, I've clicked on my own. Now as I clicked on the retrieve tax ID, it will tell you to enter your first name. See, people that are telling you to use BVN for your tax identification number, I don't know, this is the way. Now put your first name. My first name is Vivian. Put your last name. You put your last name, then you put your date of birth. Please make sure that the date of birth that you are putting on this page is the same thing with the date of birth on your NIN. Guys, put your date of birth. Okay, then you click on I hereby consent. Verify that you are a human, then you submit. Okay, it's still loading guys. You just have to give it a little time. You have to give it a little time because of the maybe network or something. See, your NIN has been successfully verified and match a tax ID in our system. I'm going to be covering my tax ID. Yes, so you just copy that tax ID. This number is your tax ID. Copy it and keep it one place. The difference is that the reason why those people's own is different is that they will come and print this thing now. This your NIN has been, they will print it and give it to you. The reason why they are collecting your what is it called, your Gmail, is because they will send it to your Gmail sometimes if you are lucky enough, they will print it for you. Okay, that is it. So instead of wasting money to do that, just come here and copy and use for whatever you want to use it for. Okay, but if you need the plastic one, you can just go there and print it. So me personally, I think what we're paying for is for the printing. That is what I think. Yeah, what we're paying for is printing. But now you cannot tell me you are printing something like that for 6K. No, that is well. Everybody have their business. You have to pay people for what they do for you. Okay, so that is how to get your tax identification number. Now don't forget that you need this tax identification number, especially if you're into YouTube and Facebook content creation. Okay, because you need it. And now always make sure that the information you're putting in your tax is the same thing with the information in your in your NIN. Okay, if your first name is this, put your first name as that. Use your NIN and put the details. Okay, so you don't make mistake. Okay, so that is that for that. Videos concerning things that will need to be solved. I create videos on how to create YouTube videos, how to create YouTube AI videos, how to create children AI videos, how to also navigate through these things, maybe creation of simple problem that we can solve. I also create on this channel how to do various things. I teach how to create YouTube AI videos. I teach how to navigate some apps. I teach how to navigate little problem just like this tax stuff. I also give financial advice based on my own capacity. Okay, bye guys, and see you next time. Don't forget to click the subscription button just in case I post a video, you'll be alerted. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, and also share this video to your friends. Bye guys.